Are you getting the annoying iCloud verification failed error when trying to sign in or use iCloud on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix this issue so you can get back to using iCloud without any problems. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, open up any browser and visit a website to make sure your internet is working properly. If your connection seems slow, turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps improve the connection. Solution 2. Sign out and sign back in to iCloud. Head over to the settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then scroll down and tap Sign Out. Give it a moment. Then sign back in with your Apple ID and try again. Solution 3. Update your iOS. Open Settings. Tap on General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating your iOS can often fix verification errors like the one you're seeing. Solution 4. Check Apple's system status. Open a browser and search for Apple System Status. Go to Apple's official system status page to check if there are any ongoing issues with iCloud services. If there's a problem on Apple's end, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and tap Reset Network Settings again. After that, the issue should be fixed. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the iCloud verification failed error on your iPhone. If you run into any issues or have more questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching and I hope this helps you out.